Hi, I'm Lourdes Sabé, and I'm the developer of Yale in Primera Persona. Today at the Pueblo Center for Teaching and Learning, we had a wonderful event welcoming Watertown High School Honors Spanish class, and we discussed how they use this resource and how Spanish is important for them, or it could be a wonderful asset in the future.
It was especially rewarding today to see the kids have this opportunity to meet some of these people en primera persona, in first person, hear their perspectives, and also get some tips as they embark on their post-secondary plans before they go and graduate in a few months. So it was very rewarding to see this truly come to life, and I'm so grateful to Yale Online for this opportunity.
What surprised me most at the Portview Center today was definitely the fact that most of the professors and the speakers that we spoke with, they didn't have Spanish as their primary language, and that they had other languages that they knew, like German, Italian, and I think that was really eye-opening to me because it was really intimidating when they first spoke to all of us one by one, and how they were so sufficient in the language, and I think that gave me a lot of confidence in continuing my education and my classes in Spanish in general.
One thing that surprised me the most and felt very important to me was to explore other languages and explore other cultures. Everybody's a human. Everybody has different personalities, experiences, cultures, and especially in schools it's very important to learn about one another and build those connections with other people.
I thought it was really interesting hearing that no matter what career you plan on going into, that it's really important to pursue learning a language, because they talked about how it could really help you in basically any field that you go into, like especially the medical field, because it creates a more personal connection with the people that you're working with and communicating with, instead of just using like AI, for example, to learn other languages.
When I thought of Yale en Primera Persona and developed it, I was hoping it would have an impact not just at Yale, but also beyond Yale. And certainly having these high school students here today did that. And I hope they're enjoying their visit here the rest of the day, and they come back to Yale to visit us again.